How to log in on Wise account using your Google ID. Are you guys facing issues to log in into your Wise app using Google account? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Wise app on your mobile device. Once you open the Wise app, now click on Get Started. Now tap on Login icon. Once you click on it, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see the Google icon. Click on it. Now tap on Continue. Once you click on it, you will be forwarded to this section. Now select your Google account. Now click on Continue. In order to log in into your Google account, you need to have an account first. If you don't know how to create an account on Wise app, then make sure to check out our guide on how to create an account on it. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna get logged in into Wise app using our Google account. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.